Hey everyone, it's Gabrielle with Oxmoor Auto Group. I'm here today at Oxmoor Ford Lincoln. I have Steve here with me. So you guys, we have the all-new 2020. This is the Lincoln Corsair?
Corsair.
All right, so Steve is going to go over some of the information on this vehicle. So go ahead.
Okay, just some of the cool features they've done this year. Well, first off, it's a total upgrade. Nothing is carried over from the previous vehicle except for the engines. Now they have been highly modified, so really we can say they're pretty new. But as far as the panels, interior, exterior, everything is brand new. They've added some high-intensity headlights to the vehicle, some new wheels, a couple new paint schemes this year. But the biggest, I will say this, biggest upgrade is a quiet, smooth 8-speed transmission. They also now have Lincoln Copilot 360 as standard. That used to be an option. Copilot 360 includes emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert. You also get lane keeper with that. Now, lane keeper also gives you driver alert as well. There's a rear view camera now standard across all the lines, and of course all Lincoln lines now. The engines are the carryovers, but again, heavily modified. We now have the 2-liter 4-cylinder with the 245 horsepower. We have the 2.3 with 295 horsepower now and 310 foot-pounds of torque. So either vehicle is going to give you fantastic gas mileage. I mean, look at the figure on this vehicle. It just cuts through the air, but it's amazing. But a lot of power, great gas mileage, great for the environment. Another nice thing that Lincoln has spent a lot of money on is a multi-link rear suspension. Why is that an advantage? As you know, these vehicles that are a little heavier on the top, you know, when you're cornering or when you've taken a turn, especially in an icy or rainy conditions, you know, that back end can kind of not settle so nicely. Multi-link actually, as soon as the vehicle turns, there's a quicker settling in on the turn in. You won't even notice it. It just handles like a sports car. Just an amazing technology. We carried over, of course, the glass on the vehicle. This is a noise-proofing glass. They also have, of course, their active and passive sound deadening on this vehicle as well. So it's Lincoln quality, Lincoln quiet, and of course the Lincoln ride that everybody's come to expect, just up now to a new level. So hope everybody can come out and take a look at this vehicle.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much. All right, this vehicle is gorgeous. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let us know. Now, the best one you can reach us on is 502-426-2500. Also, make sure to check out our new Express store, which is on our website at oxmoorflm.com. I'll have a link to this vehicle in the comments. Thanks, you guys, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.